Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Plug the iPhone into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update. The phone will check for iOS updates. If an update appears, tap Download. You should have a recent backup. Use iCloud or connect to a computer and backup now. This step prevents data loss and makes the install safe, so don't skip it and move directly to downloading the update. You watch the download and preparation phases carefully. While the update downloads, leave the phone awake and connected. If storage is low, free up space by removing large apps or videos. Once the file finishes, the system prepares the update. This can take several minutes. You'll see a prompt to install now or install tonight. Choose based on convenience. Make sure the device remains on power and connected to Wi-Fi so the verification step completes without. You tap Install and let the iPhone restart. The screen will show the Apple logo and a progress bar. Do not disconnect or power off. After reboot, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow about to confirm the iOS version and ensure apps function. If the update stalls or the phone won't boot, force restart first. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then hold side until the Apple logo appears. If that fails, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.